how to find the missing camera app on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's go back to your home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Now in here, tap on the left-hand side panel. At the bottom here, tap on the Add button. And then we scroll down and look for the camera app. And after that, tap on the Done button. Then tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And now you should be able to see the camera app. And from here, you can use the camera directly from the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.